Hello everyone, welcome back to App Tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can share TikTok videos on your Facebook story. So let's start. First of all, go to TikTok and log into your account. Then after, tap on the share icon of the video that you want to share. You can select the destination from these various options, or if you want to share the video to your Facebook story, tap on save video and then download it. After you have downloaded the video, it will be saved to your gallery. Now open Facebook. Then after, tap on create story. Now select the TikTok video that you just downloaded. After you select the video, you can play around with different options and settings such as text. You can edit the video, you can add some effects and so on. After you are satisfied, simply tap on share and the video will be shared on your Facebook story. So in this way, you can easily share TikTok videos on your Facebook story. That's it for the video. Make sure to leave a like if you found this helpful and subscribe to the channel for further videos.